What's up, ladies and chuds? I'm on this new game called Microwave Dinner. Where you're a microwave and you get dinner, and yeah, it's like Robot 64 but low cortisol. Haha. Yeah, and yeah, I've played these games before, but that was like back in 2024. Just the game hasn't updated since then. And yeah, it's just I'm just gonna fool around, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so like in this game you just kind of like run around or roll, I guess, and get fried chicken. And yeah, it's a very relaxing experience. And you can also hit things and people. And yeah. There's parkour. So you can see you can roll, dive, and fly. Hover, I guess, to parkour. And do very high stakes parkour like that. Like, have you ever played Roblox with your life on the line? Look at that. Chicone. And yeah. Alright. Ladies and chuds, I have unlocked... What is this? Food. Restaurant. Oh my god, look at the chud. Oh, his name is Bob. The guy's a chef guy. Oh my god, there's things! There's things! Oh my god. What's up, Bob? Wow, he's tall. My bad, bro. Big chud. Oh, I gotta talk to the chef. I like that, they don't even have names. Like they're just blob. W story. Alcohol. Come on. Oh, never mind. Man, this place sucks. Alright, let's talk to Chef Man. What's up? Oh, you're the chef? Well, you're the chef. You do the cooking. Oh, I'll help at a 45-degree angle. I have to chuck things in the pot. Vegetal chicone first, and another vegetal. Okay. Good luck. Why do I need luck? Nonsense. Wowee. Oh yeah, too easy. Look at this. Oh, I can rotate it. I can use spin on this. Spin. Those who know. Is that a JoJo reference? Okay, I'm sorry. My bad. Alright. Let's get looking. There's gotta be something up here. There's no way. Ooh, box. Wait, are there things behind all the boxes in here? Room, vegetal, happy, hippie. I gotta go up and get the other ones later. Sweet! Come on. Let's do this! Okay. Fish time. So, what's this? Fishy! Alright, I'm back. So, I guess the water is evil. Chud. This chud fish. This fish is a loser chud. Come on. Oh my god, dropped it. Come on, please. Ha! Come on. Hold on, wait. If I just stand right here, then he'll just hit me. Look at this chud. Yeah, that's what you get for being a bum. Oh, flip. Come on. Crazy. Oh man, I've got to fry him alive, bro. That's crazy. brutal. So I've been looking around. I just can't seem to find anything. Oh, hold on, I found chicken. Yum, yum, yum in my face. Wait a minute. Vent. Hold on. I'm gonna go into the vent like the imposter among us. It's gonna be so sussy, man. Okay. My bad, my bad. Yeah, I know. Like the Among Us thing is still massive, am I right? Ah! Oh, I found a thing! Hat ticket. Hats? How did I miss this? How did I miss this? Oh, wait, no, it's more efficient to dive. Actually, no, it's not. God, there's wieners everywhere, dude. Ha! Go on. The box is sparkling. Wow, that's like 40, man. That's crazy. Okay. I got the chicken. Yeah, I guess we're gonna fry this up too, huh? Crazy. Alright, I'll talk to the Chef Chud. What's up? Wow. 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 Oh no! That was the pet? Oh, oh my god. He doesn't know. Oh my god. Yo, he gave me food. Okay, hold on. Why is his first thought to pay me with like a Walmart microwave dinner? Yeah, I got it. Except I'm also having a seizure. Ah, the fridge robot. Interesting. Okay, so I'm inside the fridge robot, I guess. And yeah, so now I'm gonna shove my food into the nuclear reactor. Okay. Like and subscribe. Hold on, this is way too loud, bro. Yeah, so like and subscribe for more microwave dinner videos, I guess, for our part 2. And like, yeah. Or maybe a JJS video since, you know, I'm in JJS. So like, yeah.